Changpeng Zhao was born on September 10, 1977, in China's Jiangsu province, and in the late 1980s, he is said to have moved with his family to Canada, when he was just at a mere age of 12, settling in Vancouver, British Columbia. Speaking of family, it is probably worth noting that both his parents were teachers in China, and his father used to work as a university instructor before he was branded a pro-bourgeois intellect and exiled to rural areas, soon after Changpeng's birth. In his teenage years, Zhao used to work at a number of service jobs including at a Mcdonald's in order to support his family, and is known to have attended McGill University in Montreal, Quebec, where is said to have majored in computer science. After graduating from university, Zhao received an internship in Tokyo, where he had to work for a subcontractor of the Tokyo Stock Exchange, developing software for matching trade orders. Before moving any further, this is Cryptocurrency Worldwide. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos about cryptocurrency. Now, let's get back to the business. After that internship, Changpeng decided to work at Bloomberg Tradebook, where he worked as a developer of future trading software for about 4 years, and in 2005, he moved to Shanghai and founded Fusion Systems, which was known to be the fastest high-frequency trading system for brokers. By the start of 2013, Zhao worked for several cryptocurrency projects, such as blockchain.info, and was serving as Chief Technology Officer of OKCoin. This surely seems like the time when Changpeng Zhao entered into the world of cryptocurrencies, and who knew back then that he would soon be recognized as the man who completely revolutionized the crypto world, which will surely come to in a bit. Around 2017, Zhao was known to have left OKCoin in order to launch a crypto exchange named Binance, which managed to raise nearly $15 million in an initial coin offering, ICO, that very year. On a similar note, in less than 8 months, Zhao grew Binance to be the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world by trading volume, which you might already be aware is something that we don't see very often, and is also the reason why every crypto enthusiast out there has heard of Binance. Furthermore, Changpeng is known to have also launched a blockchain network known as Binance Smart Chain that is said has made a significant contribution to the overall development and growth of the crypto world as well as the decentralized finance industry too. Since it all comes down to Binance, before moving on any further, it is best if we have a brief look at what exactly is it. Launched in July 2017, Binance, as mentioned, is the biggest crypto exchange out there based on daily trading volume, of course. Not just that, Binance aims at bringing cryptocurrency exchanges to the so-called forefront of financial activity worldwide, and the idea behind its name is to show this new paradigm in global finance, binary finance, or simply Binance. In addition to this, besides being the largest crypto exchange globally, Binance has managed to launch an entire ecosystem of functionalities for its users including Binance Smart Chain, Binance Chain, Trust Wallet, and research projects as well as Binance Academy, which all employ the powers of blockchain technology in order to bring new age finance to the world. Also, Binance Coin is an integral part of the rather successful functioning of many of the Binance sub-projects and is also said to be the native utility token of the platform. Apart from this, one of the biggest competitive advantages of Binance is its drive for development, and while the company started as merely a cryptocurrency exchange back in 2017, as of today, Binance has managed to spread its services amongst numerous different spheres. However, know that, since the launch of Binance Coin, the exchange has also been able to benefit from increased investors' interest in the token, and BNB went through a significant price surge at the beginning of last year which has further put it on the map of enterprise investors. Speaking of Binance Coin, or is often known as BNB, it is a cryptocurrency issued by Binance Exchange, and it trades with the BNB symbol on the coin which can be used to pay transactions and trade fees on the platform. Back to the point, in 2020, supporting 1.4 million transactions each second, Binance reached nearly a $2 trillion mark in total trading volume, and its Binance Coin, BNB, is now their biggest cryptocurrency marketplace, based on the market cap of course. Lastly, as per a report by Bloomberg Billionaires Index, Zhao's estimated net worth as of January 2022 is somewhere near $96 billion, making Changpeng one of the richest person in Canada, and the world's 11th richest person. As a result, this brings him into a league of tech billionaires including Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk as well as Mark Zuckerberg for that matter. Not just that, the report also mentioned, Binance Exchange managed to generate more than $20 billion in revenue as of 2021, and Zhao is said to own about 90% of Binance shares. So far, I hope you must have gotten a fair insight into the life of one of the most influential names in the crypto world and his success story, and I believe Now you'll be able to decide on your own whether or not you should use Binance Exchange as your way to deal with the world of cryptocurrencies. With virtual currencies still on the rise, Binance and Changpeng Zhao are on the rise as well, and as more and more investors are looking at cryptocurrencies to simply expand their portfolio, it would not be wrong to expect Zhao to lead the charge in making sure that these investors choose Binance at the end of the day. The live BNB price today is $402.95 with a 24-hour trading volume of 1,321,651,232 BNB is up 0.6% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is number 4, with a live market capital of $66,533,779,208. It has a circulating supply of 165,116,761 BNB coins and a maximum supply of 165,116,760 BNB coins. If you would like to know where to buy BNB, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in BNB stock are currently Binance, Bitget, Mcdonald Exchange, CoinTiger, and FTX. What are your thoughts on Binance and the life story of Changpeng Zhao? Do let us know in the comments area. To know more about various cryptocurrencies, do check out other videos we have on our channel. Thank you for your time, and if you found our content informative, do share it with your investor friends.